this is the last cat because I'm allergic.
We've had cats all our married life.
How do you deal with it?
I have air cleaners in the house.
Oh, I see, yeah.
We have air cleaners in the house, and really, it really helps a lot. But this will be the one. This will be it.
He's an inside
Showdown.
cat.
Oh, yeah.
Like all our
Shade
cats.
off, Teddy.
Yeah.
Round
When it's
two.
nice, he's outside. At night, he's inside, and in the winter time, when it's too cold, of course, the cat's inside. But
So the kids grew up with the cats?
They've always had cats, yeah. We had one for 18 years.
Wow. So when they were babies,
Mm.
how did the cats, were they protective or? They just hung around.
yeah,
They got along.
cats
They got along
will
with the
tolerate
children. They got along.
Yeah.
They won't be all over the children. They'll tolerate them. Because even now, my grandchildren come over and the cat might find a place to hide. He's underneath the seat and chest. He's underneath there. And when a cat comes and sits on my lap, and
This is bad Michael Vick
kind
memories
of,
right here.
not paying attention, the grandkid will come over, and they don't hurt the cat at all, but the cat is just
And
somewhat fearful
done.
of the grandkids, you know, expecting the worst, but the worst hasn't happened yet.
Sounds a lot worse than it is over there. No, it keeps his mouth open.
I've had enough, thank you very much.
Keeps his mouth open and like.